Welcome to Education Hub. A. A is for apple. B. B is for banana. C. C is for cherry. D. D is for dragon fruit. E. E is for elderberry. F. F is for fig. G. G is for guava. H. H is for hazelnut. I is for ikako. J. J is for jackfruit. K. K is for kiwi. L. L is for lab. M. M is for mango. N. N is for nashi pear. O. O is for orange. P. P is for plum. Q. Q is for quince. R. R is for raspberry. S. S is for strawberry. T. T is for tangelo. U. U is for ugly fruit. V. V is for velvet apple. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for zinnia. Y. Y is for yuzu. Z. Z is for Zinfandel grapes. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.